This was last Sunday and it's our Valentine's celebration. Dito pala kami kumain sa Blake's Wings and Steaks. Quick check lang muna tayo sa CR and afterwards nagpunta namin kami ng Teveses since may Valentine's celebration doon and may mga artist na gusto kong mapanood. And yung next clip is yung performances nila.
Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong nagkanumangot man sa ating huling haktungan.
Bumili lang ako ng flower and that's it for our Valentine's celebration. See you on my next one. Bye!